Am I showing up on frame good?
No.
Ayo, blurry check. Okay, so I am currently editing this video and the first part of it is extremely blurry, just like so blurry to the point that it makes me want to die. So I tried to cut out as much of it as I could. Yeah, sorry about that. You'll just have to deal with it for like the first 3 minutes and then it gets better.
My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. This video is really blurry, and I'm sorry.
Welcome to my kitchen at home. This is my brother, Max. Say hello.
Hello.
We're incredibly bored because we're stuck inside and there's nothing to do. So I went searching through the pantry to find something to do. And lo and behold, I found some wild blueberry muffin mix. I don't like blueberry muffins, but I thought it'd be fun to make. Also, these expired in 2016, so this will be fun. How have your guys' quarantine lives been? Ours is just getting started. We live in Washington, the epicenter. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Actually, the epicenter is in China, but...
The epicenter of America. Whoop, 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 whoop. What the what? It has a can of blueberries in it. Remember how I mentioned this is expired? I'm afraid to open this. Time to add the dry ingredients. Much like Max's humor. Dry ingredients. Mixing check. It doesn't smell great. I'm gonna be honest. I'm transferring the label to Maxwell to finish the stirring because I don't have the muscles it takes. I have been tasked with trying to open this probably really gross smelling can of blueberries that's been sitting in our pantry since possibly 2013. So. I love
Toss the can.
5-year-old blueberries. Mixy time. Ugh. Yummy. Is it supposed to have this much juice?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with juice.
It's a lot of juice.
Okay, you want to stop filming from this angle?
No, look how pretty it is. Mmm, yummy. Okay. For some reason, my camera shut off. But it's okay, because I noticed. Because I got lightning quick reflexes.
But you didn't notice the camera was out of focus. Idiot.
Okay, so we have 12 muffins to make. So we put it in for 17 to 19 minutes. Yeah, okay. Time to scoop them in. Okay, Max is going to pour the muffin mix into the muffin pan. Yummy. Okay, as you can see, we've got all this goop in, ready to go. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be purple. Max thinks they are, but they're not purple on the box, so we'll see. Okay, time to put them in the oven. Now that those are in the oven, we have 17 minutes to kill. How have you all been? Boom, boom, boom. Wait, renegade, 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 renegade. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ah! This is the longest 17 minutes of my life. I am also aware of the absolutely abysmal lighting in here. My house just has awful lighting. The walls are beige and all the lights are like yellow and it's just dingy and gross. But you gotta make apples out of peaches, or however the saying goes. Didn't even notice your punches. They're done! Ta-da! Muffins! Purple muffins! Mmm! Okay, the muffins are all done. So I'm going to try them. I'm really scared. Look at it. It's freaking purple. 5 years expired. So, okay, here I go. I mean, no. It's hard to tell. Because I don't like blueberries. I don't like blueberry muffins. So I don't know if I just don't like blueberry muffins or if these are gross because they're expired by many years. So we're gonna have Max come and try them because he likes most things. And he'll be a good judge on whether or not these are actually not edible. Well, let's see. How's that taste?
Like a muffin?
Is it good? Like, does it taste like it's expired?
No. Just tastes like a muffin that could have used more flour to give it more fluffiness. Maybe some honey. Yeah.
Alright, so there you have it. The muffins are actually edible and I'm just extremely picky, so that's funny. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. My information is down in the description below. I'll even link Max's...
No.
Max has no social media. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!
Who are you, PewDiePie?